What is meat in a time when it no longer has to come from flesh? Is it taste, texture, or just a memory encoded in language and instinct? This isn't just a recipe, it's construction. Muscle and fat built from plants, a flavor that doesn't harm, a form that doesn't scream with suffering. Let's begin. We start with the foundation, 30 grams of soy granules. They're soaked in boiling water for 10 minutes. Then drained and pressed until dry. What's left is firm, fibrous, the base of what will become our plant-based muscle. Next, oyster mushrooms, 150 grams, air-fried at 140 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. This intensifies their flavor and reduces moisture. Once cooled, they're diced into small cubes. Earthy, umami-rich and full of texture, they'll bring depth to the bite. Fat gives richness, contrast, and memory. Mix 50 grams of coconut oil with 2 teaspoons of tapioca flour. Chill the blend for about 20 minutes until firm. Then cut or break it into small chunks. These pieces will later melt inside the steak, giving you that signature marbled finish. In a large bowl, everything comes together. The rehydrated soy granules and diced mushrooms, 40 grams of soy protein isolate, a tablespoon of nutritional yeast, a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, optional, half a teaspoon of cocoa powder, 3 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, 3 teaspoons of beet juice, 3 tablespoons of tapioca flour, and a pinch of kala namak, black salt, for a subtle eggy depth. It all gets mixed by hand, not just stirred, worked, until it's dense, elastic, and sticky to the touch, a raw muscle waiting for form. To give it structure, the mixture is passed through a meat grinder. This is how we create the fibrous strands that the mind reads as meat. Texture isn't an afterthought, it's the language of appetite. Cold fat chunks are gently folded in, not stirred, not broken, preserved. Each white speck should remain visible, like marbling in a fine steak. These will melt later, releasing richness where it matters most. Time to cook. Sear it, grill it, sous vide if you wish. On the pan it sizzles, browns, releases aroma, the beet juice seeps like blood, the crust forms, a way to keep flavor and satisfaction. You can still love meat, you can still crave that experience, but now you don't need to take life to have it. If this stirred something in you, curiosity, doubt, or hunger, leave a comment. would you try it or not yet? And if you want to see more recipes like this, consider subscribing. No pressure, just possibility. You've heard my voice, now let me hear yours.